Can't get your edges sharp? Let's look at the top 12 solutions to help you.
Number 1. Learning the technique of back cutting allows you to cut into the aluminum alloy and a tiny bit of the back half of the edge right here. It's super easy. Just use a file guide that is 1 degree greater than what you want your finished edge on. For example, I'll take a couple of light passes with my 94 degree guide. You can see here where it contacts this half of the edge. This makes it much easier when I drop back down to my 93 degree guide, because the file is only required to remove half of this edge, which results in a cleaner, sharper, less burr-prone cut. Number 2. Position the file on your top sheet tool very precisely to cut only this metal layer between the edge and the sidewall. This can make it much easier to get your edges sharper because the file only needs to cut the steel edge. Number 3. Position the cutter on your sidewall remover very accurately to cut only this metal layer between the edge and the sidewall. Number 4. If your file is loading up with sidewall, then position the cutter on your sidewall remover to cut more of the sidewall step. Number 5. If your file is loading up with the sidewall and top sheet material, then position the file on your top sheet remover to cut more of the top sheet on a steeper angle by rolling it like this. Number 6. Know when to replace your worn out files and stones. Number 7. Clean your files often with your file brush in the direction of the teeth. Number 8. Always clean your diamonds after you've finished your session. This will make them cut much better. Smear 1 drop of the edge polishing oil onto the diamond surface and rub vigorously on a coarse towel. Then place them in your diamond rack to dry. Number 9. Change the position of your file on your file guide to find an unused portion. Number 10. Change the position of your stone on the guide to find an unused section of diamond. Number 11. Remove all burrs prior to filing with a coarse diamond stone or disc so that the file doesn't slip. Number 12. Get someone more experienced to check your technique or join one of our Learn to Tune workshops.